Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you guys how to actually set up your HP DeskJet 1212 single function printer. So as you can see, once you've unboxed the printer, you've taken it out of the box, you basically get the printer, you get two cartridges. These are both setup cartridges. You get a power cable and you get a USB cable, right? And you get some instruction manuals. Now this is very useful. This is basically what I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Pretty clearly shown in picture format what you need to do. So the first thing you need to do, it says, is you need to turn this around, open this up. Oops, my bad, sorry, just close that. Turn this around, open it up, and remove this little, there's a little piece of styrofoam over here, so I'm going to just take that off, okay? And once you've removed that, you need to remove this, well, this you can remove as well, this little blue plastic tab over here, okay, and it says to remove this blue plastic tab next. So I will just, this comes down basically, so I'll take that off. This comes down, and once this comes down, you can see that there's this blue plastic tab is attached to this little cardboard piece which needs to come out, okay? And once it comes out, you can actually see inside the printer itself. So now what you need to do is you need to install your two cartridges. So let's see, right over here, this, it was all the way to the left side, but this is where both your cartridges need to go. So you need to take that out, take your cartridge. So I'll start with the tricolor cartridge. Open up the cartridge, okay. Now the cartridges, as you can see, always, I mean, handle them with that, unless you don't want to get inky fingers, okay. Take your cartridge out, and what it says is that you need to peel down on this sticker to actually open it up. So this is the actual part. It's very well protected. As you can see, it clearly says HP. There's a downward arrow indicating what you need to do. So you need to peel down on that, keep that to the side, and this is your tricolor cartridge. Now if you're wondering which side does this go into, the tricolor cartridge goes on the left, okay. So tricolor cartridge goes on the left. You just put it, oh okay, so it goes in like that. There you go. All right, so just to show that to you guys again, that's how the cartridge goes. Let me put the black cartridge in now. Again, take the cartridge out, remove this sticker. Again, I'll bring this really close to you guys so you guys can actually see it. There you go, it should come into focus now. So that, again, just the downward arrows, you need to take this little thing and peel back. That opens up that. Do not touch that with your fingers. And the cartridge with this facing you, sorry, my bad, turn it around so that this HP logo is facing you, and push that in. So just adjust it a little bit there, since these things do come in the way, so this can actually move left, right, so you can adjust it so that you get easy access to your cartridge. Push it down in there and press it, and it locks. So there you are. As you can see, both the cartridges are now installed, okay. Once they're installed, you go back and close this, all right, and keep that open. Now this, the last thing, once you turn this around, open the flap. This little plastic connection over here helps you actually adjust the paper inflow. So keep it to the left, make sure that this is on the left. And last thing you can do is you can open up this little tray over here, so that when the paper comes out, it gets caught and it doesn't fall down. So this actually folds out like that. I'll show it to you. So like that, so the paper will slide out and it will not fall down on the floor. So this prevents it from doing that, okay. So there you are, folks. After you've done this, obviously do plug in the power, okay. I'll show you where that goes. The power cable, as you can very clearly see, is at the back. You know, plug that in. Let me turn it on for you. So plug it in. Now the power button is up there on the press that, the power button has just come on. Give it a second. This is the USB cable. So this end, this little square end over here, this would go into your USB port on the printer, and this normal USB type A port would go into your laptop or your PC. Okay, now this goes right over here on the top. As you can see, there's a USB logo, and there's a little port over here, and just plug that right in there, and this end plugs into your laptop. And after that, on your laptop, you just need to follow the instructions. It's very simple to connect. Just go into your printer settings, and this should show up as the HP DeskJet 1212, and you'll be all good to go to print color or black and white. So there you are, folks. That was how you actually set up your HP DeskJet 1212 single function printer. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.